How's it going, everybody? Mikey from Magic City Mayhem here. Today is actually Wednesday. Usually my Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift updates come on Tuesday, but I experienced a crash in Video Editor yesterday, so you're getting the video today. But it does look like some things have been updated quite significantly in the front little pad here. There's like areas of pathway being constructed, and of course everything in the back is also just really coming along super quick. I'm not going up to Hard Rock today. All the footage you're seeing from the Hard Rock balcony was taken yesterday on Tuesday, but the City Walk footage is taken today, and also the footage in the back of the park was taken today on Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Follow me on social. I come to the Universal Orlando Resort every single day for daily updates. And I'll see you next week. Bye.